Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Land Lakes, Florida. We're here for a driveway cleaning for a new customer. I actually got this lead from one of my subscribers. He lives out of state, but he wants to surprise his family with driveway cleaning. So we're gonna get a driveway and the walkway area cleaned up. They got like a little basketball goal area right here. We're gonna clean as well to get everything spotless for this family. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got any questions, just ask. And you guys know I answer all my comments. I'm also gonna be showing you guys a new product I just got from SurfaceMaxx, which is who's sponsoring the video. And you know, I hope you guys like it. I haven't opened the box yet. I've had it for a while. I'm sorry, I haven't had the time to make the video with the equipment. They actually sent me quite a bit of stuff to try out. And I'm gonna display it for you guys. So today I'm gonna open the box and give you guys an overview of what we're gonna be using. Y'all stay tuned. I just got this box. I didn't even open it yet, so we both gonna see it together, guys. All right. So this is what we got today. Got us a ball valve from SurfaceMaxx, 7,000 PSI rated. It's a 3/8 ball valve. Let's see here. Looks like it said you can use it with gas and electric. 2-year warranty on it. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, this is the ball valve here. I didn't know it already comes with the quick connects too as well, so that's a plus. I will say it's pretty beefy, man. It's definitely heavy. Stainless steel, but the quick connects are brass. We're gonna give it a try and see how it works out. But yeah, this thing is definitely a unit for sure. I've never used it, so you guys gonna see me use it, man. Let's give it a try and see how it works out. I can take my old ball valve off here and then connect it and get to using it. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so I got the ball valve hooked up, and honestly, guys, once it's hooked up to the hose, you don't feel the weight of the ball valve at all. It's super light, and this is my first time having one with a handle like this. And I've always heard guys say these are hard to close and open, maybe because they're using like some kind of generic ones. This one right here feels pretty smooth. Let's see here. Going the wrong way. You guys can see I open and close it really quick, really easy. Not much effort at all. Close it up. So we're gonna use it with the Mini Mondo to get this driveway cleaned up. And we'll use it as well to do our rinse. Y'all stay tuned, we're gonna get going. And like I said, this video is sponsored by SurfaceMaxx. Let's go. Yeah, I didn't show you guys the driveway. All right, you guys can see it needs to be clean. They don't have a sidewalk. We got the basketball goal right here. And then we were doing the walkway up to the front door area. Looks like they got a little bit of green on these pillars too at the bottom. I'll go ahead and hit those as well. Starting to get a little hot right now. Shouldn't take too long to do this driveway and a walkway. Right now is 9:22. 1022. Let's go. Alright, driveway is clean. We're gonna use the ball valve to rinse everything off. And, we're gonna post treat this after. Let's go. Alright, driveway is clean, but like I said, it needs to be post treated because it was pretty bad. That's an oil stain, that's not gonna get removed. But all these lines up here, I got a couple more on the driveway, especially over here by this court area has some, and the walkway has some. So we're gonna post treat that with a 5% mix to get everything clean properly. We're gonna use sodium hypochlorite, which is chlorine. You guys can see I got some lines over here as well. It's not all over, but some of the areas. They don't have no drainage here, and everything slopes down. Can't push the water this way, can't push the water that way. There's no drainage anywhere. So we're gonna do our best. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna put the post treatment on. I got some of the water up in this grass. It's way better than it was before. I'm gonna let it soak in that grass a little bit before I do it again. Try to leave everything looking good before you leave, but I'm not a irrigation person, so that's how the water rolls. The same thing happened when it rains, so I'm not the one to fix that issue, but we're gonna make it look good before we leave. So like I said, I'm using a 5% mix of sodium hypochlorite, which is chlorine. I got a little bit of surfactant in there. It's not really needed, but surfactant pretty much keeps the mix from drying up fast, keeps it wet longer. And if you're washing houses and pool cages or fences, it helps making it stick to those vertical surfaces. Well, you don't really need it for concrete like that. But I already mix mine when I get the fresh batch. I just put some in there already, so I always use it. It's not gonna kill the edge of the grass if you make sure you get everything wet properly and rinsed off. So when I was surface cleaning the grass, the edges of the grass got wet, and then when I was rinsing, the edge of the grass got wet, so I'm gonna kill the edges. Thank y'all for checking in and getting into the giveaway too. I think last time I checked it, we had like 150 entries, and you don't have to be a pressure washing company to win. We got multiple prizes because not everybody that watches the channel owns a pressure washing company. So we're doing 5 prizes. We're doing a $50 gift card from Amazon. We're also doing a $100 Visa gift card. We're gonna give away a surface cleaner. We're gonna give away a bucket sprayer as well that you can apply your sealer with, or whatever chemical you want. You can add what I'm doing right now with it. So just make sure you rinse it well. What else we got? We're gonna give away a J-rod to somebody. I'm missing something? Am I missing anything? $50 gift card, $100 gift card, surface cleaner, bucket sprayer, and J-rod. Yeah. And then we got 3 more prizes that we're gonna give away for free during the live. So you gotta make sure you tune in to have a chance to get some stuff, free stuff. Yes sir, 20K, man, I can't believe it. Yeah man, I want to shout out everybody that inspired me to start the channel. When I started, I was studying other companies, other YouTubers, and I had to learn from a lot of people on YouTube and off YouTube. But Freddie Pressure was the person I pretty much looked up to, and why I started the channel. I also followed Jason Diamond, and who else I used to watch? I watched Expert Power Washing, and you know, pretty much those guys is who I watch. I watch Freddie a lot because he's in Florida, and we work in the same climate, so you know, I pretty much gravitate to him. So yeah man, I appreciate all the support to hit 20K. Let me hit this right here. The upholstery is working good. As you can see, it's clearing up already. We're not gonna rinse this off. We're just gonna let it sit and do its thing, and then we're gonna do a recap in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, we all wrapped up, guys. Right now, it's 10:18. Took my time to get everything clean. Fought with the water down there for a while, trying to get everything from down there, but there's always gonna be a little residue. I'll start up here and show you guys the front door area. Cleaned up the pillars down there that was pretty green on both sides. See the walkway here, looking bright as ever. Court area, there's some oil stains right there. That's not algae. Over here we had a lot of lines. You can see they're gone. Same thing over here. How you doing, boss man?
Hey, y'all pressure washing stuff, huh?
Yes, sir.
I didn't know. I know I hadn't ordered that. My brother did that.
Yes, sir.
From
It's a
Louisiana.
surprise for you. Yes, sir. How you doing, boss? What's up, boss man?
Good.
What's your name?
Brown, Steve.
Yeah, I went to school with you, man.
Yeah, I know you.
Brandon High School.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
went to Brandon?
Yeah, we went to Brandon High School. Yeah.
Y'all done here now?
I'm all done. You all set?
Man, it looks good,
It
man.
looks good? Yes, sir. I did the walkway over here to your front door area. I did the pillars, had some green on them. I cleaned the pillars for you down there.
Nick did that?
Yeah.
He didn't mention nothing today yet.
Nah?
I just talked to him yesterday.
Really? Okay. Well, I hope you enjoy it.
It looks nice.
Thank you.
I've been wanting to do it. I couldn't get my my pressure washer to crank.
Oh, okay.
Put it in the shop.
Yeah.
How do you know I needed this done though? That's what I coordinated.
Yeah. It's gonna be nice and clean and once it dries, it's gonna look better than that.
Yeah, I've been trying to figure out, truck dropping the oil now. So I'm trying to.
Yeah, that oil stain.
Put can better and stuff down and try to keep it. That's hard to deal with.
Okay.
But it looked good though, man. You done an excellent job on that. Trust me, mine is a little bit.
Oh yeah, you'd be here all day.
Oh yeah, it's all day with me.
Yeah, for
but
sure.
I refuse to buy the big one like the stuff y'all got.
Yeah. We got the big machines over there. Yeah.
Well, everything good, man?
Everything good, man. Working, you know.
What year you left Brendan?
2001. No, actually, no. I only went there for my freshman year, 98. And then I transferred to East Bay. But I was there in 98.
So you were a year behind them?
Yeah, but they were there at the time still.
That was our sophomore?
Yeah. Because Keon and all y'all was
there. Did you play football at all? Or?
I didn't play at Brandon. I played at East Bay.
Okay.
Yeah. We were just talking to my boy Jamal Butts.
Right.
Yeah, we were just talking about y'all last week at the cookout. That's crazy. It's wild. Well, that was something. Stephen Graham, man, went to school with him. Played in the NBA and everything, him and his brother. That's crazy. I just ran into him. We were just, one of my boys was just talking about him last week at the cookout. I didn't expect that. That's pretty cool. See, I ain't seen him since 1998. Man, a long time ago. But anyway, guys, the ball valve, pretty good. Nice and sturdy. Like I said, it's a little heavy without the hose, but once you put the hose on, everything works fine. This thing here, the handle, you gotta get a little used to it, because if you've been using the shorter handles. But besides that, it works just fine. The quick connects work fine. It's stainless steel, so it's gonna last you forever before you ever had to replace it. I know, like I said, some people say these when they see them, they're like, oh, you gotta be strong to turn them and whatever. But like I said, they probably just the cheap generic ones. But SurfaceMaxx is a pretty well-known company, so they're only gonna make quality stuff. So SurfaceMaxx 3/8 ball valve, rated up to 6,000, 7,000 psi. I like it, man. So pretty good product. Y'all check it out. I'm gonna leave their link in the description. And they got other stuff you want to try out. They got surface cleaners, J-rods. I remember when I first started, I had a SurfaceMaxx surface cleaner. It was 15-inch stainless steel. You had to hook it up to the gun. So I used one of those when I first started, when I had the 4 GPM. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.